Good evening, this is Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at today's top stories. Delhi has issued fresh guidelines after the first case of human metapneumovirus, HMPV, was detected in India. Despite concerns, the government has assured that the situation is under control, emphasizing that the country is well prepared to manage any potential outbreaks. In Tamil Nadu, Governor R.N. Ravi walked out of the assembly over a row regarding the national anthem. This incident highlights the ongoing friction between the state government and the Raj Bhavan, pointing to deeper challenges in their relationship. In Bangalore, 2 infants have tested positive for human metapneumovirus, HMPV. The Union Health Ministry has assured the public that surveillance systems are vigilant, with the ICMR closely monitoring the virus to mitigate any potential spread. Meanwhile, in Karnataka, health authorities confirmed HMPV cases involving 2 infants. The Health Ministry has reiterated that India is prepared to handle any rise in respiratory illnesses, with readiness demonstrated through a recent nationwide preparedness drill. In Gujarat, an HMPV case has also been confirmed, with health officials assuring that the infected child is in stable condition. Authorities continue to monitor the virus and provide timely updates to the public. The Bharatiya Janata Party has launched fresh attacks on Arvind Kejriwal, accusing him of misusing public funds for the renovation of his residence, dubbed the Sheesh Mahal. The BJP has called for accountability, citing a Controller and Auditor General report that revealed significant overspending. The Aam Aadmi Party is yet to respond to these allegations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Jammu Railway Division, marking a milestone in connectivity for the region. The move is expected to bring significant economic opportunities and improve the lives of Jammu and Kashmir's residents. In Delhi, AAP leader Atishi broke down in response to remarks by BJP's Ramesh Bidhuri. Atishi described the comments as a new low in politics, shedding light on the personal toll such statements take. The remarks have sparked widespread outrage as the election campaign intensifies in the capital. In Chhattisgarh, Naxal attacks in Bijapur have resulted in casualties, with ongoing clashes reported in the Bastar region. Authorities continue to conduct search operations to curb the violence and restore peace. Mumbai police have filed a charge sheet in the Baba Siddique murder case, naming Anmol Bishnoi as a key conspirator. The investigation has revealed detailed plans behind the killing, with efforts ongoing to track down other suspects involved. Maharashtra's health minister has assured the public of safety measures following the detection of HMPV cases in Bangalore. The advisory urges individuals with symptoms to avoid crowded places, maintain hygiene, and follow preventive measures to curb the virus's spread. With HMPV concerns rising, precautionary steps such as ensuring good ventilation, staying hydrated, and maintaining a nutritious diet have been recommended, especially for vulnerable populations. Though no vaccine or antiviral treatment exists yet, these measures are critical during the winter and early spring months. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Channel 6 Network for more updates. Thank you for watching and have a safe evening.